Symphony 6, So Sour, tonight!
What pressure have you recently had the most?
Wow, I think it is time pressure.
Oh, a lot. But I think I have pressure about the time.
Time pressure. Come on, don't ask me that. You know that the final exam is coming.
Because the maturity is when I have to take care of myself without relying on anyone else and hide all my sanity inside.
What do you feel about Symphony's performance?
Oh, well, the show has soul-touching activities which help me to exchange wishes for each other. Therefore, I have received this one. Smile and happiness will come to you. It's really meaningful and I'm really appreciated.
Well, the music was super impressive. It reminds me a lot about my childhood, especially the song of Jasmine and Rapunzel, which is my favorite Disney princess. And thank you guys for creating such a wonderful music show.
The atmosphere of Souls is really wonderful. The singers and band, they interact with the audience, and the staff, they're really friendly. And they always help me on me when I need. Besides that, the audience, they are very civilized and they are really close to each other.
Yes, a great atmosphere. A Christmas vibe is coming.
Yeah.
Really cool event.
Well, I think the Symphony 6 is a successful event. I think we start to follow and support the Symphony next season.